Redmi Note 15 seriyasının prezentatsiyasi qilib deyapti. Kutudamiz. Redmi 15 seriyasi. Ko'ramiz qalay bo'ladi. Osmondan ta'minlarman. Qolib жатыр.
Thank you everyone to come join our Redmi Note 15 launch event. My name is Liu. I'm the General Manager of Pakistan, Xiaomi Technology Pakistan. So today, before the product description, I want to give you a brief introduction to our new product, Redmi Note 15. So this is series loved all over the world. I think Redmi Note is available in over 100 countries, and we're too excited that so many people around the world have discovered the Redmi Note series. So, since the first Redmi Note was launched, over 460 million devices have been shipped. This is the number one actually shows how much people love this device, love this series. So,